Hello everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today we have another diamond painting, and I believe this will be the smallest diamond painting I've bought, but we will see. Let's take a look at it. This one is a 17 by 17 centimeter, and this one is called the Blue Summer Wren by Lisa Francis Judd. And this is a round. And it has one AB drill. So let's get into this. I have 3 sitting back here for you all to look at another time. And then I have another one coming in the mail. Actually, I have 4. My friend gave me one. So one of these days I'm going to show you 5 different diamond paintings. But I have decided what I'm going to do, because I'm sure you guys are getting sick of looking at diamond paintings every day, or every time you turn on my channel, is that I'll probably do like 1 diamond painting opening a week. And then the rest of the time it'll be crafts like I need to be doing. So, box is a little bit crushed. I just got this one. So I'm hoping it'll be okay. It came actually with 2 other paintings that were bigger than this one. So I don't know if the weight of those made a difference. I don't know. So we got our basic toolkit here for round drills. So we got our plastic. We got 2 wax hearts, or plastic bags I should say. We got a tray, and we've got our spongy finger thingy there, and then the single end to do your thing, or drill tool. As you already know, I posted them already. I have my own drill tools that I use instead, but these are really good if you're a beginner and you're just trying to see. But anyways, let me move on. So that's the toolkit. So here is the diamond painting. Oh, cool. I don't know if that's new. I don't remember getting that with my other ones. This is a sticker. Use it to organize your stashed kits. Place it in your log book or anywhere you like. I might do that. I wish I had a sticker for all the other ones, and I might go ahead and try to make copies and put it in a book. I think I might do that because I like that idea. And then here is the color list right here, and then a bigger picture of what it originally looks like. This is not what the diamond painting will really look like, but this one has 9 colors and 1 AB drill. So let's see what this baby's gonna look like. I believe my smallest paintings were like 25 centimeters, but I could be wrong. Yeah, this is the smallest. Oh, look at that. This is the smallest one ever. So this is 6.7 inches by 6.7 inches. How nice is that? I'm working on one, Swan Lake, as you all know, and that one is like, takes up my whole table, so it's humongous. This one is like size of both my hands, and that's it. So so this is like what they call snack diamond paintings, because they don't take very long to do. So I'm excited about this. Yeah, now look at, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, how good those codes look. very clear. Diamond Art Club, they have a lot of my money, let me just say. I love their product. This is poured glue, so you can't go wrong with it. Their products are good. The canvas is always so soft on the back. The front, on this part of it, which usually either gets cut off or covered up anyways, but that has like a plastic or some kind of sealant on it, but the back is very soft fabric, canvas fabric. So yeah, I really like that. So, and then they of course give you your step-by-step instructions. If you're new, this may be one for a newbie. I got this to put in my someday dining room that I would like to be the blue willow. I have blue willow plates. I have some in the Currier and Ives. And I have some in the Queen something, I don't know, but they're one set is the story of where these blue willow plates came from. And then the other ones are the Currier and Ives, which you're probably more familiar with. But anyways, I digress. Let's move on. Let's look at these beads. Yay! Or drills, whatever you want to call it. I've seen some people call them beads, other people call them drills. So we're going to take a look. I'm kind of excited to have this little teeny tiny one. That's pretty neat. Ooh, look at that blue. That is really nice. So that is a 995, 996. You have the 841 in that brown or tan. The 5200, that one is like white, like snow. And then you have, this looks like an AB drill here, 141. Yeah, that's got the sparkles on it. Then we have 3846, that's great color. The 820, 700, and 912. Nice! Oh, I have so many diamond paintings to do, you guys. Not enough time to do them. How exciting. Okay, so the greens go on this flower area or leaf area for the flowers, and then the 141s, oh, they go around the flowers. Nice. And within the flowers, oh, that actually might look really, really good. Guys, when I finish this, I usually put all of my artwork on Instagram. If you guys ever want to look at that, if I don't show it on the videos, you can always go to Instagram and see what I'm doing. Some things that I put on Instagram, I don't put on my videos, and vice versa. So you may want to check that out. So my Instagram account, if you want to go to it, is Crafty_Aims. That's all it is. CRAFTY_AIMS. And you'll find me. I put things on there every now and then. And this is going to be one of those. When I get it done, it will be put on there. You can guarantee it. So alright, you guys, this is a short video. I hope you have a great day. And I hope you guys are doing some crafting yourself. You'll have to tell me what diamond paintings you're working on, because I would love to hear. And I will talk to you all later. See you on the next video. Bye.